Kill it! Kill it!
Yung ano tayo?
It's a war zone. Yes, we're back here. After more than 12 years.
Does it look like it's the same?
Yes, still the same. Actually, this is where we parked. This one. Now they changed it to a...
Private parking?
no, this is now a...
Apartment?
apartment. There you go. Alright. Let's go, ma'am. There you go. Crayola experience.
I didn't know it would be this expensive.
Yeah, look at that. That's still the same. That's new. And then that one is the cafe. It's a new one too, I guess.
What do you remember that was here? Is it still the same one?
Mostly Crayola. Where do we get that? Ian, that one. That one.
Is that where we got the medal?
Yes. Oh, Kuya was so engrossed with this one. Di ba na, Mami?
Kuya, wait, this is mine. Ayan o,
Yan, Mami, pang ano mo. Di ba you have like this? Nasaan na?
meron pa.
You wanna buy another one?
Dami ko. Dami ko pages, hindi ma.
Bike plates. Can you find my name? No. This is what we came for. The boys wanted to reminisce when they first got this Crayola crayon box, and it's metal tin.
Oh, it's just a box.
Yeah, you have to fill it up with coming from this. Look at that. If Hershey's has a different like wall like this of chocolates, this is for Crayola. Look at that. And then you could also pick one that's already pre-filled, I think. I'm not sure. And this one are the names. Trying to find. What is this? Where's Andrew? And Ryan?
These are dog tags.
Oh man. Sorry, I didn't know. Sorry. It's the color of the rainbow. Does it have smell?
No.
I think they've removed that.
No, there's limited. There's special ones that have scents on it.
sharpener. It's a built-in sharpener. There's Andrew. And Kuya is Ryan Wang. Oh, one giant crayon. That's good. They're trying to beat that. Creativity fuels the world. This is downtown Easton. And there's Fidelity Bank. Wanna go back there? You know. And there's a street art. Yeah, look at that. This one is new. Actually, when you bike this city, that's going to be a challenge because this is a hilly city. Just look at that.
San Francisco.
Yeah. Not as steep as San Francisco, but it's still steep. That I think is 11. Maybe that's 11 or 12%.